I love that, just one. I can never get the party people to work. I'm just going to get some water because I've kind of got really excited about it. I'll not tell you what this was. It's a note. I'm not very good at reading in public, so I'm good at talking. It's quite long. Have you got time? I'll say it really quickly. Dear Jessie, is it okay if I read it out? I have so much to say to you, but I'll keep this short. My name is Katie, I'm 50 and I've been a heartbeat since 2011. You inspire me in everything you do, the messages in your songs, the way you treat your fans and us heartbeats, and how you carry on no matter how hard things get on the road. Your music and your inspirational quotes on Twitter have got me through so many times. I can always count on your music to cheer me up. Jessie J tuned in, the world tuned out. Tuned out, not tuned in. Who you are has helped a lot of people, including myself, gain self-confidence, and it's probably saved quite a few people as well. Being a heartbeat is everything to me, and I'm proud to call myself one. This is the first time I've ever seen you live, and I hope it isn't the last. If I ever have children, I seriously hope that they grow up with an idol like you. Anyway, I will never be able to thank you enough for everything you've done. I know you probably hear this a lot, but I wanted to let you know I've been a heartbeat since pretty much the start, and I will be until my heart stops beating. Thank you, Jessie. Lots of love, Katie. Thank you. How do you run? But seriously, Katie, honestly, those things, I think people forget how much that weirds me out, because without you, there is no me, without me singing, there is no inspiration. So you are my inspiration, so thank you so much for that. I sit there and start throwing things on stage. I can't read that.